Welcome back. Let's pick up right where we left off in the bot configuration workflow. Now that your paper trading simulation has been running for a while and you're satisfied with its performance, it's time to convert it into a live trading bot. To get started, navigate to the side menu and click Bot Management to locate the simulation bot you want to convert. Select the bot from your list, and then click the Clone Bot icon. Give your newly cloned bot a clear descriptive name so you can easily tell it apart from your test version and click Save. Next, head into Settings. Here you will need to swap out the simulation account for your live exchange account and ensure the correct market is selected. Take a quick moment to verify that all your script parameters carried over correctly, then click Save, followed by Back. This next step is crucial. Click Clean Bot, followed by Yes. This wipes out any residual paper trading history and resets the bot's internal state, ensuring it starts completely fresh on the live market. Finally, double-check your exchange wallet to confirm you have sufficient capital to cover both the buy and sell sides of your grid. Once you are properly funded, hit Start, followed by Yes to activate the bot and begin live trading. And that's all there is to it. Your bot is now trading live. It is always a good habit to keep a close eye on your new setups for the first few hours to make sure everything is executing exactly as intended. After that, just make it a point to check in at least once a day. Until next time. Thanks for watching, and if you need any further assistance or want to explore more features, be sure to check out our documentation at help.haasonline.com or join the community on Discord at haas.bot/discord. Happy trading!